This is a nice adraka chai. This is pretty dangerous. You start eating, you cannot stop. So, the pakoda biryani flavored rice. Life is beautiful when it is very tasty. Make your life tasty and keep saying whatever. Whenever you make a recipe, I have soaked moong dal for pakodi. My friend's favorite is this moong dal fry. Once you make this pakodi, you can make the pakodi with curry, which is also very popular in this part of the region. Namaste, Salam Alaikum, Sat Sri Akal. Today, I've just soaked moong dal and then I was thinking what all I can make with moong dal. So I'll just make 3 quick recipes. This moong dal, this is the smaller variety of moong, but you can get little bigger. But whatever, you can make fantastic moong fry. So soak this in the water for just couple of hours. Just spread it on a paper towel. Make sure that the water is all removed. Just take a cloth, rub it and dry it, and then you can fry. But let me put some of the dal in the blender and make this into a kind of a paste so that I can make pakodi with it. Once you dry it on a paper towel, you can also just spread it on a paper and let it dry out for like few minutes, after which you can just put everything in a strainer like this and fry. Do not fry it in a very hot oil, just fry it on a kind of a medium hot oil. The more slower you fry, the better they get. It won't take much time. Once the sizzling stops, that means your moong is ready, and all you need to do is add little chaat masala and little bit of salt. That should be good enough. They will come out nice and perfect. This is frying little more on a slow flame. So in the meanwhile, I'll make this pakodi. For this, I'm taking the onion. In this, add Ajwain, little bit. You can also add jeera, that is the cumin seeds, and add fennel seeds. Fennel seeds also will give a very nice flavor. So you can add like this, or you can crush it and add. And here I'm going to crush few ingredients. Add green chilli, ginger and some garlic. Once you add this, just crush this well, and then we're going to add it with the onion. Once you see the sizzling noise, just transfer it onto a paper towel and then they are ready. Look at this, they are nice bright yellow. You can also fry a little more if you want to get a little more color, but this is good enough. Ginger, garlic and green chilli, ding chick, and in this just add some salt. Be careful with the salt, and a pinch of baking powder or cooking soda will help. Just mix all of this good. I'm going to add these curry leaves whole. You can chop the curry leaves and add, or else you can add, just tear them a little bit and add to this. This mixture is all ready. In this, all we need to do is add this moong dal paste. But I'll tell you one thing, one trick that will make your pakodas nice and crispy. Add some oil into this onion mixture, little bit. 1 teaspoon of oil should be good enough. Just mix again, and to this add the moong paste. Mix all of this and drop into the oil. Take the batter and just the oil should not be too hot. Just drop little pieces. You can make this pakoda perfect, and fry them till they are nice and golden. That's when you will enjoy these pakodas. Here, pakodas also we can make 2-3 types. One is make it really flaky. Other one is make it little bit dumplings. If you are going to put that in a curry, make it little bit dumplings. The moong is also ready. I put a little bit of chili powder. In this, we can add some chaat masala and also a little bit of salt. After you add, mix this. Every area they make it different. I like a little bit of chili powder to it. And some people just love chaat masala. Some people also add salt. What is the kind of masala you like, you add to this, and this is all ready. Usually they sell a little bit of this in a packet, and people go crazy buying this, but it is so easy to make at home. Very nice, crunchy, perfect. Now these pakodas are also ready. Make it the way you want. I want it like nice fried with the onions, and they will be perfect. Now we have made the pakodas with the moong, and I've also made nice the chudwa type moong, and we're going to put this in a curry too. I'm going to make this pakodi curry. This is like second substitute for biryani. Whenever you don't have biryani but you want to eat something quick, you make this pakodi and mix it with leftover rice and this curry. It will be like as good as a biryani. I said as good as a biryani. Don't kill my comments there. Okay. So now in this add some oil. I'm going to add one bay leaf, the cinnamon stick, cloves, and also red chilli. And let this red chilli slightly sizzle in the oil. Now in this we're going to add some masalas. We do not add onions because this pakoda has all the onions that is required. In this we don't add onions. We're going to add just tomatoes, turmeric, ginger garlic paste. Let this cook for at least 3-4 minutes. Look at this. The onions are getting nicely mashed up. You know, I like to add even yogurt. If you want, you can add this. In this, add chili powder, add little bit of garam masala, and now add water. Make a gravy, after which we're going to add these pakodas. Let this cook for another few minutes, and nice gravy will form, in which we'll add the pakodas. Add some salt to taste, and always add little, less salt, because the pakoda also will have the salt. Look at this. Just bring this to a nice boil. Now the salt is good. In this we're going to add first some chopped coriander. Now we're going to add the pakodas also. There are two ways to do it. You make this slightly thicker and you add the pakoda in the last. So the pakoda is served immediately where you will have little bit of crunch. But I'm having crispy pakoda there. So I'm going to make this a pakoda curry which will be like biryani. Add in this. It will start absorbing all the the juices, the moistures, and this will be slightly thicker. I told you the biryani flavor. Last we're going to add some mint. Just mix, switch off the flame, and this is ready to serve. The pakoda biryani flavored rice along with crispy pakoda and also some moong, fried moong. This is going to be good. Let's go and eat and rock the world. This is pakoda biryani curry. So basically you just put 1 or 2 pieces, that's it, the pakoda with this gravy. So for the vegetarians, if you want to eat biryani, you want to enjoy, even for the non-vegetarians, if you cannot get biryani, you can quickly fix this. So at home, all you need to do is soak some moong dal, make this pakodi, and add a bay leaf and last some mint, and you will get that nice biryani flavor. And this, after biryani, what? Chai to pina padta hai. You have to drink tea. So let's have tea also. After having a nice biryani feeling, you got to have chai. We Hyderabadis, we are crazy about tea. And this is a nice adraka chai. This is absolutely perfect. With acha chai, kuch to hona chahiye na? You need some snack. So we got this nice pakoda, nice crunchy. And we made it with the moong itself. Make it little smaller pieces for this with chai. And one piece of snack, and then chai ke saath na, some people also enjoy this fried moong. Dear friends, these are nice and crunchy. This is pretty dangerous. You start eating, you cannot stop. So, wow, just too good. Make it at home. Enjoy great food. And always keep saying, Vareva. Dear friends, life is beautiful when it is very tasty. Make your life tasty and keep saying, Vareva. Mm.